how to change password on Instagram. So the first thing that you would need to do is to tap on your profile icon here on the bottom right and tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right. And in here, tap on the account center. And now tap on password and security. And tap on change password. And tap on your Instagram account since this is the account that we would want to change the password. And all you have to do now is to provide a current password and the new password and then just retype the new password. And take note of the notice here, your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. And then after that, you can also log out of other devices. So if you feel like someone has hacked your account, then you want to make sure that you check this option right here. And then after all of that is set, you will just simply need to tap here on change password. And then after that, your password is now changed.